You're gonna sit and watch me unbox a Furby. Look at you. Alright, hi anyway, so today we'll be unboxing another Furby. This is my second time purchasing off of Mercari. My first time I never unboxed it because my mom wanted to see it, but can't we just appreciate this super cute packaging and also the labels covered up for privacy. Like, look at this. They covered the box with tissue paper and it's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, and I also have my cat watching me. Can we just appreciate this little stinker being with me? So let's get to unboxing this Furby. Alright, I don't want to ruin this, but it's super cute. You know, I'm just gonna unwrap it like a present. Actually, I'll just use some scissors. Here we go. And we get another layer of tissue paper. And it looks like that there's like some sort of makeup box underneath, but oh, it's probably, oh, they probably used one of those boxes for, I guess, is it, oh, it's one of those waffle makers, I think. Thought it was makeup, but it's a box for a waffle maker. Okay. I'll appreciate the effort into this packaging. Oh, and the Furby's also wrapped in tissue paper. The seller even said that they're gonna send some batteries with the Furby too. Oh, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries, even though they just take 4. So here they are. It should be pretty useful, but it doesn't say alkaline on them. Yeah, I do have some alkaline batteries right next to me, since usually the heavy duty ones are not gonna work, but I do appreciate it. I like it how his beak is just sticking out so he could breathe. Wait, I wonder if we try to get out of there and then you just peck the hole through it. Furby's gotta breathe. And they even got a free sticker. Thank you so much. And I'm just gonna put all this away. Yeah, this is packaged nicely. I mean, this is literally how I package my items. And by the way, his name is actually gonna be Blizzard, or you have picked out a name. Look at his little tail. He's so soft. And there's the boy. Isn't he so beautiful? And he's so soft. Okay, thankfully he doesn't smell like cigarette smoke. Look at him. He's so cute. And he's very pretty. Like, you'll probably know why I named him Blizzard in the first place. And the seller had a bunch of other Furbies, but I thought this one looked really pretty. Oh, and if you wonder who else I got from Mercari, even though I already showed you my community posts, this is Cody. He's my other one that I got from Mercari, and he works perfectly. But I need to see how Blizzard works. So I've got a screwdriver, and I'm also gonna turn on cloudies so they can both talk to each other. Alright, the battery cover is nice and clean, which is a good sign. Here it goes. And it may take a second. There you go. Here he is. He's working. Yay. Okay, I'll put you down. Let me close it. I'm not gonna screw it in. Yeah. And I'm gonna also turn him on like I said. Here, here's your food. You've been sitting there in a box for probably a week at this point, and you don't appreciate my food. Alright, here he is. They're already talking to each other. I'm gonna have to also make him a little choker, or get him one, or make a little candy bracelet. Let's just appreciate these two boys. Good to hear.
I make food. I make cocoa. I make cocoa.
No way.
Oh yeah. Over.
Uh-oh.
Uba.
Great. No, I like that personality more. Okay. And then he just starts dancing.
Yay! New Toto.
No, I prefer the other one. Well, this is it for this unboxing, so thanks for watching. Bye.